In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the dictionary sentences for the words that you'll be writing in your vocabulary journals. So first of all, we need to use the Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English to find our dictionary sentences. So we're going to practice this using the word consumption. So we'll type in the word consumption. We'll look up this word, and we have a lot of information here. We have the part of speech, which is noun. We have related topics. We have the pronunciation here if you want to click on these. You also have whether the noun is countable or uncountable. And then you have several definitions of the word consumption here. You have amount used, food or drink. So under each definition, you have some phrases or sentences that show you the use of the word. And for our vocabulary journal, we want to make sure that we're using sentences, complete sentences. So in other words, we need to find something with a subject and verb, not just a phrase. Okay, so if we look at number 1 here, we can look at the two examples beneath the definition. We have dramatic rises in fuel consumption. So this, as you can see, is a phrase. It's not a sentence. Look at the next one. Vigorous exercise increases oxygen consumption. So here we do have an actual sentence with a subject and verb. So we want to use this for our vocabulary journal since it's a complete sentence. And this will be the dictionary sentence part of your vocabulary journal.